Good day guys, so if you want to order from Temu and pay only when your package arrives, here's how to use cash on delivery step by step. So firstly, you open up your Temu app or a website, make sure that you're updated if you're on the app, and then browse for the item you want to buy and then tap buy now. So let me add some items to the cart. And now guys, you just check out. On the checkout page, enter your delivery address and make sure it's complete. Name, phone number and postal code must all be accurate. Okay, and here you just insert all the info that I've mentioned, and when checking out, just look for the payment methods section. If cash on delivery is available in your region, you'll see it listed among the payment options. Select cash on delivery and confirm your order. And that's it, you've successfully placed a code order in Temu. When the delivery person arrives, simply pay in cash to receive your package, and if you don't see the COD as an option, here's why. It's not available in your country, it might not appear for your first few orders, and digital payments like cards, PayPal or GPay might be the only options in some areas. To check if code is available for you, you go to Temu, Me, Settings, Payment Options, and see if cash on delivery is listed. And that's how you order with a cash on delivery. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.